I believe every one of us at some point of time end up with boredom and kill their precious time and creativity by engaging with gadgets. Even I'm of such kind. At one point of time, my parents decided to keep me engaged, so they suggested me to explore things around us and gain knowledge through them. They limited my screen time, and with no choice left, I began doodling. But after a while, I lost interest in it. I then explored mom's kitchen and experimented cakes and new recipes, but I could not stick to cooking as well. This is the result. One of my cake. I still felt to do something creatively. Once, mom and I were dusting my cupboard, and somehow my eyes fell on a dusty box. To my surprise, those were the ancient coins which were my dad's precious treasure, who used to collect it as his hobby. I was astonished by the beautiful designs of the coins which were minted centuries ago. I was in deep shock thinking of their creativity and skills the emperors had. Without any civilizations, they have minted these coins. I started to deep dive and googled about this. I then got a bunch of information about the coins. You know, history is mystery. The more you know, the more you end up with a mysterious feeling. I shared this knowledge with my parents. They were happy that I'm doing something productive. We then got an idea that this valuable information should be shared with wider groups, and every one of us should know the history behind the coins. So I came up with an idea to create a YouTube channel. Sharing is caring, so my journey began here. Our first milestone is to name the channel. After a lengthy discussion, Dad suggested Explore, I suggested Coins, and Mom recommended Linger Around. We were in a situation of too many cooks spoil the broth. Finally, we decided Linger Around as it looked fancy. I was excited to do my recording, but first and foremost, I need a script. So mom and I googled and gathered information about the coins and prepared a script. From there, I did several rehearsals and was ready to record my video. Here comes the next challenge, editing the video. My cousin lent me a helping hand. He connected to my laptop remotely and trained me. Now I'm confident in editing my own videos. Eventually, I was up to my ears with these stuff. Once the video is up, my parents are the first viewers. I then shared the video with my friends. They liked it and I got good compliments. I started feeling like a dog with two tails. I simply could not resist to count the subscribers. Eventually, the count has reached 51 and I am hoping for more. Seeing my anxiety, Dad advised me just to be focused on what I do. So I stopped worrying and continued with my videos. The funny part is my cousins label me as Miss YouTuber and they mimic my dialogue. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now, my perspective of looking at the coin has completely changed. Whenever I get to see a coin, I watch it keenly and try to connect the dots. I owe my success to my dad, whose hobby transformed me as a source of information, and I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to my mom, who is the light of my life. My advice to all of you is start exploring the things around you and learn new things. I'm ecstatic to share knowledge to my YouTube channel and I would love to continue this journey. Here's a quote by Morgan Freeman. I'm always trying new things and learning new things. If there isn't anything more you can learn, go off and die. Thank you.